In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully sell products on Amazon, from setting up your account to fulfilling your very first order. So let's jump right in and get started on building a profitable online business. The first step in your Amazon selling journey is to create and set up your Amazon seller account. To do that, head over to Amazon's Seller Central website. Here, you'll have the option to choose between an individual or a professional selling plan. The individual plan is a great choice if you're just starting out and plan to sell fewer than 40 items a month. On the other hand, if you're looking to scale up your business quickly and sell more than 40 items, the professional plan might be the better fit. It comes at a monthly fee but offers additional features and benefits. Whichever plan you decide suits your needs, make sure to gather all necessary information, like your tax details and bank account information, to make the sign-up process smooth and efficient. Once your account is all set up, the next step is to list your products. If you're selling something that's already available on Amazon, you can match your product to an existing listing. This is pretty straightforward. Just search for your product, and when you find the matching one, you can click on it to list your item. However, if you have a unique product or a private label product, you'll need to create a new listing from scratch. This involves adding detailed product descriptions, high-quality images, and setting a competitive price. Remember, a well-crafted product listing can really make a difference in attracting potential buyers. So take your time here to ensure you're as detailed as possible. Now that your products are listed, let's discuss fulfilling your customer orders. This is where you get to decide between fulfillment by Amazon, commonly referred to as FBA, and fulfilled by merchant, or FBM. If you opt for FBA, you're essentially handing over the logistics to Amazon. They'll store, pack, and ship your products for you and even handle customer service. This can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you're selling high volumes. However, keep in mind there are associated fees. If you choose FBM, you will be responsible for managing inventory, packing, and shipping products directly to customers, which gives you more control but also requires more hands-on work. To sum it all up, selling on Amazon involves setting up your account, listing your products effectively, and choosing the right fulfillment method to meet your business needs. Whether you're looking for convenience with FBA or prefer the direct approach with FBM, each choice has its own set of advantages. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you take the first steps in your Amazon selling journey.